Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think this looks like three waves up, three waves down, looks like a WX. It looks like it needs to make another move to the upside to complete an ABC of wave Y to complete this pattern. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like an uptrend. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a wave A. I think this is an A, B, C, D, E, probably a wave B. And it does look like we are possibly going to end this correction and make a move to the upside for a wave C of wave Y to complete that W, X, and Y pattern. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see the lower lows, lower highs for this move down, and it definitely does have a nice five-wave shape. We don't have a breaker structure to the upside yet, but we do have FOMC, Federal Funds Interest Rate, coming out today. So, I mean, that very easily could be the catalyst that causes this to go up, end the correction, and continue the uptrend. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, to me, it still looks like one big correction. It almost looks like an A, B, C, D, E, or like a WXY pattern or something along those lines. It still kind of looks to me like we could possibly get one more push down, maybe at the news or prior to the news to finish off this pattern and then maybe go up and break structure to the upside. So like I said, I mean, until we break this structure right here, I am definitely still very bearish on the Aussie dollar, but today's news very easily could cause that break of structure and very easily could turn me from being a seller into being a buyer. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it does look like it's going up. It does have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape also. So maybe it's just going up to retest these highs, and then at the news, they will make a big push to the downside. We are for sure going to have to reevaluate these patterns right at the news or prior to the news to get a better idea of what's going to happen at the interest rate news today. And I will be live streaming for that news event. So if you are available, definitely make sure to stop in for that so we can reevaluate these patterns prior to the news to see if we can get a good idea of what's going to happen at the news today. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.